I made it to Ohio, and I have to say, I already like it better than Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York for one reason. Yeah, that's the reason. Gas is like, I don't know, 40 cents cheaper a gallon here, so I will take that any day of the week. It's crazy how just with 40 cents, I saved like 10 bucks on gas, but because I was getting it for like, you know, like $67, $66 for a full tank, and here, you know, 56 bucks, I'll take that any day. So it is 3:30. I got here an hour ago, and I found out that this campsite that was advertised as you can drive in right next to your campsite, it is free, but you couldn't drive. It was a backpacking. You had to hike to your campsite, which is obviously a bit of a problem for me because I don't have a tent. I need to be able to drive into my campsite. So I've just been trying to find a place to stay or figure it out to try and avoid staying at another Walmart, because I've done that like 8 times now. Guess where I'm headed? Just guess. Just guess. Just give me a like. Guess. I'm headed to a freaking Walmart. Okay? Because I'm frustrated, and I was hoping to get to my campsite at like 2:30, and then I would have time. I would be able to go out, buy myself some ingredients to make a nice dinner, and I would be able to have some free time at the end of the night. I was liking Ohio. I was. I still do. Ohio's nice. Simple, easy, cheaper gas than a lot of other places. Ohio, strike one. I don't think you could ever compete with New Jersey, because at least, I can fill my own gas here. This better be the nicest Walmart I've ever stayed at. This Walmart better be freaking the Mona Lisa of Walmarts. Good afternoon from somewhere in Ohio. If you ever want to find me, just go to a Walmart parking lot. There's a good chance I'll be there. But I'm just gonna chill out in this parking lot. I'm way behind. I need to edit some videos and such, but for dinner, yeah, I have a little ham and cheese sandwich and a Caesar salad. So that's my dinner. All right, I ended up staying in a Cracker Barrel parking lot last night just to switch things up, but I feel like one of the unwritten rules if you stay in a Cracker Barrel is you have to like get something. So I think I'm gonna eat a little breakfast here. So I didn't bring my camera like a dum-dum, but I made it to the site that I was headed towards today. And there's like this little trail that I took, a nice little, started as like nice little open trail. And now I'm like headed downhill. It's hard to tell on camera, but this is downhill. Like I'm on a slope right now. There's like a nice little river right by, and I'm just wandering. I see a giant fish. It's hard to see, but that's him like right there in the center of the screen. He's moving around a little bit, but that thing is at least 2 feet long. Oh, there's another one right below him. Yeah, right there. Yeah, and there he is. But those things are at least 2 feet long. Some big fish. Ooh, there's a better shot. Oh, there's 3 of them. There's 4 of them. Whole pack swimming upstream. You know, I may not know much, but there is one thing I know. There's one thing I know. I know how to start a fire. Granted, I was using a lighter, I know, but I could start a fire with flint and steel too. I don't know how to use a bow drill, but I could probably do that too. A hand drill, that's up for grabs. But I know how to start a fire. Call me a pyromaniac, whatever. Ooh, 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 ooh. Me and fire are friends. Speaking of fire, it's starting to rain a little bit. I've just been driving through rain the past like 4 days, and I thought it was over, but it seems to be starting to rain a little bit. After I just started the fire, not just, but I'm gonna just make something simple, chicken pot pie style soup. I only have a little bit of bread left, so I'll just use that bread to, you know, dip it in. Reading this book. It's called Green Lights, Matthew McConaughey. So far, so good. I'm like 50 pages in. I started it today. I'm surprised I'm already kind of rolling through it. Are we sure this is how this works? Oh. Oh. That's a weird can opener. I've never seen a can opener that... Usually a can opener cuts from the top. This one cut from the side. A storm's a-brewing. I can hear it coming. It's about 6 o'clock east. What is wrong with me? Don't let me get too comfortable on this camera. If I get too comfortable on this camera, it's going down. Expecting one. That was a dumb, that was a stupid idea. Scrumptious. It's not like 10:30 or anything. I totally just, I could not get out of bed this morning. Slept great. It was fine. Wasn't too cold. But man, it is just raining. It has been raining for 5 days now. It's supposed to be done tomorrow. Tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny for at least a few days. So I'm really looking forward to that. I am going to see Lake Michigan today. I'm going about 2 hours north of here tomorrow, and there's a, it's like a really steep sand dune right along Lake Michigan, and I want to go see that. I think that'll be fun. I'm not gonna lie. I was coming down here, and I was like thinking to myself, I was like, wow, I mean, Lake Michigan, I mean, it might be underwhelming. I mean, you know, it's a lake. How crazy could it get? And then I started pulling up, and I look ahead of me, and I'm like, is that water? Like, what? Like, because I was like, oh, it's not gonna be anything crazy, but it looks like a freaking ocean. Like, I don't know. I think I don't know why, but I almost expected to be able to see the other side. I've never seen a lake where you can't see the other side before. It's a little overwhelming. I mean, this is as sand gets. Sand. I mean, I don't know how crazy this lake gets, but it's like, it's very calm. Like an ocean, you know, you got waves coming in, but this is like it's calm. There's no white caps. This is weird. I'm just walking out on this pier, I guess. It's more like a walkway, but pier, we'll go with pier, to a lighthouse on this lake. So you got like streams, creeks, rivers, ponds, lakes. This is above that. This is more like a I don't know, something above a lake, below an ocean. That's all. This isn't a lake. This is not a lake. This is a lotion. This is some lotion right here, a lake ocean. Rub some of that lotion on you. Get it all nice and smooth. That's what this is. Hello? Anybody in there? No. A nice ladder. nice ladder for when you fall in.
Lie, little birdie. Lie.
This might be my intrusive thoughts, but you could just like drive somebody out there on a boat, toss them in, come back. They would never know. Nobody would ever know. That's all I'm saying. Nobody would ever know. Who's gonna know? Nobody. How do I get down? I was so worried that my camera was gonna blow over. It's pretty windy. I found a crab claw or something. The lake you go.
Free shoes if anybody wants some Nike.
They are on, I didn't think about it. I don't know where I am. But they're on a pier somewhere in Lake Michigan. There you go. You're welcome. Alright, that's not the last I'll see of Lake Michigan. I'll be back tomorrow to a sand dune. Filming this somewhere on a little river, lake thing. Somewhere. You don't have to worry about where, but hopefully I'll have another video out soon. The next one is going to be a good one, so stay tuned. But hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.